Pop quiz. How many results on Google do you get if you search for how to boost my metabolism? Millions. Literally, it's too many to count. And the top 3 results are from ads to sell you a supplement. And the others down there are from huge media companies selling ad space to companies trying to sell you a supplement. As a health and nutrition coach, my goal is to guide people towards sustainable fat loss through science-based strategies, not quick fixes or fad diets. My programs have helped over 20,000 people online, and my website has been seen over 20 million times over the last 12 years. Today, I'm diving into how you can naturally boost your metabolism in a way that supports long-term health. So what is metabolism? Quick definition. When we talk about metabolism, we're referring to the basal metabolic rate, or BMR, the number of calories your body needs to function at rest. Even while you're just going all about your day, sleeping, etc., your body burns energy to keep you alive. To lose weight sustainably, focusing on improving your metabolism, essentially what I like to call turning your body into a fat storing metabolism into a fat burning metabolism, is the key. So how do you do this? In this video, I'm going to go over 10 proven ways to naturally boost your metabolism. They're so simple, I know you can do it. First, stop dieting. Restrictive diets often deprive your body of a variety of nutrients to operate optimally. When you cut out entire food groups or overly restrict calories, your body adapts by slowing down your metabolic rate and metabolism to conserve energy. This is kind of known as starvation mode. Sustainable fat loss comes from nourishing your body, not starving. Number 2, eat enough calories. Eating too little can put your body into survival mode, making it harder to lose fat, making your fat even more stubborn. Most women need to consume more than 1,500 calories a day to thrive. While calorie counting apps often suggest lower intakes, they're typically focused on quick weight loss, so you can continue to use the app. They want to keep you in there for as long as possible. So you're going to have initial weight loss and then gain it back, and then you're going to go back to the app because you remembered, oh, I lost weight. But we're focused on long-term strategies here, which can, of course, slow down your metabolism even further because they're focused on weight loss and not true sustainable fat loss to get you healthy to lose weight, not the other way around. Number 3, don't skip meals. Are you seeing a pattern here? Stop dieting, stop counting calories or eating not enough calories, and don't skip meals. I know, intermittent fasting, I actually wrote a book on intermittent fasting to show people how to do it the right way and for it to not damage your metabolism, just like the potential for the keto diet to do. Carb cycling is one of my favorite way of eating, of dieting. But intermittent fasting is not ideal for women, but that's for another video. I have a video that I shot a couple weeks ago on metabolic fasting, which is the right way I believe women should fast. So skipping meals increases stress on your body, causing spikes in cortisol, which can lead to blood sugar imbalances and, of course, stubborn weight gain. It also makes it difficult to get enough nutrients throughout the day, leaving your metabolism sluggish, wanting more. Number 4, balance your blood sugar. Every single program, every single diet should focus, number 1, on balancing that blood sugar, the insulin, getting rid of stored glycogen and glucose, learning how to utilize glucose at the cell level. Anyway, get off my soapbox. Keeping your blood sugar stable is crucial for maintaining energy levels and avoiding cravings. Balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, fiber, help regulate your blood sugar and your hormones and prevent your body from storing excess fat. It's about knowing which fats to eat, knowing which carbs to eat, and of course, starting with protein and fiber at every single meal. Number 5, prioritize protein. Eating enough protein is the number 1 game changer for your metabolism. It helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, or what I like to call metabolically active tissue, which burns more calories at rest. Protein also has a higher thermic effect, meaning your body uses more energy to digest it compared to fats or carbs. Number 6, build lean muscle. Metabolically active tissue. Lean muscle is what is going to get rid of that stored fat that you're trying to get rid of. Muscle burns more calories than fat. So the more lean muscle you have, the more energy your body requires, even when you're not working out. Strength training and metabolic resistance type of training and exercise are the best ways to boost your muscle mass and ultimately your metabolism. Number 7, move more throughout the day. Many of us spend most of the day sitting. I'm to blame. I run a lot of my business on my computer. It's stressful on our muscles. We're dealing with computer neck and all these types of things. So, and ultimately, it also leads to a slower metabolism. Increasing your daily activity, even just small movements like standing while working or taking short walks in between your work, can make a huge difference in how much energy you burn and just how much better you feel, better you breathe, and just that. All right, so number 8, we're managing stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels. We need cortisol, number 1, but excess cortisol, which a lot of us struggle with because we have stressful lives, is a major fat store. Excess cortisol is one of the main reasons with insulin that we have a fat storing metabolism instead of a fat burning one. So that leads to weight gain and an overall slower metabolism. High cortisol also impacts your sleep quality, which poor sleep, increased fat gain, slower metabolism. It's all just this cumulative effect, this kind of negative domino effect that we want to get out of. So it influences your blood sugar levels. So that influences insulin. So now you have insulin and cortisol affecting your inability to lose weight, leading to excess fat storage. Finding ways to manage your stress, whether through exercise, meditation, or relaxation techniques, can really help to boost your metabolism. Number 9, get enough sleep. Do you see how all these kind of just lead right into one another? And even though the science of it is complicated, they're really just simple, sustainable habits that you can work on every single day. Consistently getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy fat-burning metabolism. Lack of sleep disrupts your hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier and more prone to cravings. Prioritizing sleep can improve your metabolism and ultimately make weight loss easier. And finally, number 10, keep your gut healthy. Remember, all health begins in the gut. Your gut health plays a significant role in your metabolism, influencing everything from how you store fat to how well you regulate your blood sugar. A healthy gut can lead to a better overall metabolism and energy use, so nourishing it and not treating it like a garbage can is one of the best keys for boosting your metabolic rate. I tried to be quick. I tried not to deviate because I know each one of these you can expand on and complicate, but I tried to keep it as simple as possible to sift through all the noise you get from Googling and YouTube about all things metabolism. So I guarantee you, if you focus on all these things and expand a little bit, obviously you need to know which fats to eat and to avoid, which carbs to eat and to avoid. But if you just incorporate these 10 strategies and dig into each one of them and really fine tune and figure out which one is the most triggering hormonally and that's most negatively impacting your metabolism, I think you'll see awesome results. Even without purchasing one of my diet programs or following somebody else's. I guarantee you, if you follow these, you'll have a healthy metabolism. There I go, rambling again. I really appreciate you watching this video. I have some free resources below, 24-hour metabolism reset guide and 10 hormone balancing drinks. And if you go to my website, I have healthy fat loss meal plans, anything you want to live a healthy, upgraded life so you can have sustainable, healthy fat loss.